Hello everyone, you're welcome to another DSci tooling brought to you by DSci Nigeria, and this is the scientific search engine. We've already introduced this tooling before, so if you're unfamiliar, you're going to see a link popping on your screen right now. You can click to catch up. For those who are familiar, this is the scientific search engine, and it has recently undergone a few updates that we thought it is very important to bring to your notice. And also for anybody else that believes in open access science and would want to use this for their research endeavors. So initially it had a token-based system. You needed to have at least 1,000 PSYOP token to access the pro features, although you could still access the free feature and still use it to search for paper from PSYOP database, from archive, from other open access platforms. Yeah. And you needed a token, PSYOP 1,000 token, which we also give out to about 10 researchers, right? But now, to manage and make it more efficient, the team working behind this, one of our partners, has introduced this code-based system. So every user needs an invite code to access the tool. But the beautiful thing about it is the code allows you to access both the free feature and also the premium or pro features, right? So you just need a one-time invite code and then you continue to use your user ID. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into it. So once you have your code, also, if you're one of the 10 researchers that received 1,000 PSYOP token to be able to access this, you have free access to this code system. You can just drop a comment or reach out to the team and they will send you your one-time code for you to be able to access this. So you just initiate your login and then you input your one-time invite code, and one second, one-time invite code, verify and login, and then you're prompted to copy your ID. So it is important that you copy this ID because that is what you will use for subsequent logins, right? The code itself is just a one-time code. So once you copy it, it copies into your clipboard, you save and you continue, and then you have access to the products, to the tool, right? Just as it used to be. The only difference is that the token-based system has been discontinued, and with the code and the user ID, you can access both the free features of the product and also the pro features of the product. So deep research is still available. You can, maybe we should just even give it a word. So let's say history of sales and then search. Matching relevant search results, matching relevant results, thinking and summarizing. Okay, so we have our search results now, and then if we go over here, we have our summary on the left, just as we used to have it. We have references below here, just as we also used to have it. So if we go over to deep research, works just the same as it used to work. So say, let's try and interact with the large language model embedded in this search engine and see what gives. This looks like my internet is pretty slow, but okay, the agent is connected. What are the key motivations behind PSYOP? Enter. And then you see the summary without even downloading the paper, without even, going to any link. I get a summary, I get an overview, just like it used to work. Yeah. So the only difference is you just need a code. You copy the user ID. If you come over to your profile here, see your user ID here, you copy it, and that is how you log in to the scientific search engine going forward. So if we close this modal and then we log out, to get back in, you just come back to your user ID. If you try to use this code, it's not going to work. Right, it's not going to work. But come to your user ID, make sure you paste the user ID you've copied. Once you click on login, you're back. You're back. So you have your profile, you have your search history, you have everything on this left-hand side. You can even switch background, updated a new set of background. Oops, that's not changing. That should change. But anyways, that's just a short overview that I would also update you about. Stay curious, and if you need codes to access this search engine, we are giving out 10 codes to 10 researchers that reach out first. So see you around.